Have a small briefing about ATM, that is automated teller machine, what we will call it as. Here many people may not be knowing much about the functions of the ATM. So let us have a small briefing about the ATM functions as well as how ATM works. All these things we will see in this video. It is nothing but self-service delivery channel for the banks, which is user friendly and can render 24 into 7, that means 24 hours into 7 days services, and 365 days also it will works. So on holidays also you can do to cash deposit and cash withdrawal. Many other value added services also can be done at ATM. One is money transfers. You can transfer funds to one account to other accounts, other customer accounts. Then here fees payment to various institutions also you can do, and donation to temples, trust and all these things also you can do it, and various card payment, credit cards payment also you can do, and life insurance premium also you can pay it, and other miscellaneous transactions also you can do in the ATM, that is change of pin, etc. So, and checkbook request, all these things also you can do in the ATM. These are the other value added services introduced in the ATM. Yes, almost all the banks have introduced ATM offline, online. Online means at the branch premises, and offline means at various centers, that is busy centers, they will establish the ATM. So the customer can do transaction, all the banking transactions at the ATM itself. Let us see the small machine parts of the ATM. Okay. One is chest. Here currency will be kept. This is called a chest. And then dispenser. Here currency will be dispensed. Then currency cassettes. Here in the cassettes various denomination of currency will be put. Then purge bin. Here you can see purge bin. This is all soiled notes or anything will fall into this purge bin. Or if the notes are not dispensed also, they will be put in the purge bin. Then monitor. This is one of the important thing. Here in this monitor, you can monitor everything, and whatever your transactions doing, you can see it. This is monitor. Then processor. This is called a head of the ATM machine. Everything will be processed here, and all transactions are sent to the bank, as well as it will be dispensed here, whatever the cash the customer asks and all these things. This is important thing. Then after that, receipt printer. Here a receipt will come if you deposit cash or accept the cash. Then combination lock. Here this is a currency chest lock. It is joint custody maintained lock. Then dip card reader. Dip card reader means here card will be kept, and this will be reading the card. Okay, this is small briefing about the ATM machine. Small thing about the ATM card. The ATM card is used by the customer for operating ATM. Okay, the card identifies the customer and enables him to conduct his transactions at the ATM. Okay, this is one of the important thing. Then the card is made up of plastic, and it is embossed and encoded with the relevant details of the account holder at the time of issue. Okay, here the card also can be used at various point of sale missions, at various establishments, petrol bunks, shops, etc. Also you can use this card. Nowadays this Wi-Fi card also now they are introducing. Nowadays the bankers are releasing various type of cards which is very beneficial to the customers. Banks will issue the debit cards. The debit card contains 16-digit number, and here it is that 16-digit number will denote bank code, branch code, and card type, etc., etc. Various parameters they will use it. And name of the card also, name of the account holder name also printed on the card. Then expiry date also printed on the card. And reverse side, there is a magnetic strip. In addition to the magnetic strip, there is a white band. On that, the customer has to do his signature. Then one more thing, CVV number. That is very, very important. That CVV number, it is useful for online transactions, but the customer should not reveal this CVV number to anybody. So this precaution the customer has to take. The magnetic strip, what it contains? Usually people may not be knowing. Here this magnetic strip contains card number and name and date of issue of the card, and address, date of expiry, everything will be recorded in the magnetic strip backside of the card. Then personal identification number. Usually it is called as PIN, PIN, PIN. The ATM card cannot be used unless the customer also inputs his personal identification number, that is PIN. Nowadays, these Wi-Fi cards up to certain limits you can use without operating PIN also. The PIN is usually a 4-digit number which is known only to the customer, not to anyone. Please note it. And that's why usually people will say, banker will say, everybody will say that PIN should not be shared with others. So the PIN therefore confirms the identity of the person or customer. Okay. When a customer wishes to transact at ATM, he has to insert the ATM card, after which machine will prompt him to enter the PIN. The PIN entered by a customer, please note it, is verified and transactions permitted only if the PIN is correct. Usually will put some limit on the cash withdrawal of the certain card. So depending upon the customer network and customer importance, they will fix the limit. And one more thing, they will issue international card also. The international card can be used at foreign countries also, and it will convert into dollars and other exchange as per the forex norms. Okay. The bankers nowadays, they are sending ATM cards by speed post, and PIN will be generated through internet banking or at ATM machine. A customer lost his card. Sometimes they may lose their card, but there may be theft of cards. What should customer do if he has lost the card? Immediately he should inform to the center, that is contact center, and it will be hotlisted. So the card cannot be used by anybody. So bankers will take necessary precautions if customer informs immediately. Usually the ATM cards are given to individuals, not on joint names. For the maintenance of the ATM, bankers will do lot of things. One is a video surveillance system. That means everything will be recorded. Whatever the transactions you are doing, a CC camera will be there and it will transact. And quarterly maintenance of the ATM machine by the vendors. That means vendors will come and preventive maintenance, how ATM works and all these things they will do. The cash replacement of ATM, one is supervisory function, next one is admin function, third one is entries in the branch. All these three things we have to do. All these are independent and needs to be done separately. Supervisory function means in the ATM they will do supervisory function. Then admin function, taking balance from the host, admin balance, and they will tally it. Here add entries in the branch also, what are the cash they have taken, all these things they will see here. The chest of the ATM is operated by the joint custodians, preferably one officer and other clerk. Here in the ATM, the cash is verified by the joint custodians and it will be tallied whenever cash is replenished. When a customer is doing transaction in the ATM, his account is debited but he will not get the cash for various reasons. So immediately he has to take the slip and go and inform to the branch. So in the branch the amount will be available and the branch manager or concerned staff will verify the account and they will give back the amount. Suppose it is a genuine, otherwise they will not give. Okay. Certain times the customer will get the cash but his account is not debited. In that case, the customer responsibility is he has to inform to the bank and deposit the amount at the branch. Nowadays, as per the Government of India guidelines and Reserve Bank of India guidelines, the bankers are usually charging some charges if a customer uses the card in other bank ATMs. Nowadays, banks are introducing biometric ATM. Here, ATMs, in particularly in rural areas, people may not literate. They may not able to use the PIN and they may not use the read the monitor also. So in that case, if they will be provided a card and with the fingerprint, the ATM will work. The customer biometric information is passed on to the switch. This is in a nutshell about the ATM. So people have to take lot of precautions while doing the transaction of the ATM. Thank you.